Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing a recipe of chia seed drink with you all. And if you drink this drink on empty stomach, it's perfect for those aiming to trim the waistline. If I say you lose weight up to 9 to 10 kgs in just 1 week, so that's not true at all. But yes, you can reasonably anticipate losing weight up to 1 kg in just 1 month. Plus, if you also eat less and do exercise and do some activities. Here I have a piece of ginger. Ginger don't directly address excess pounds, but they do help prevent cardiovascular damage and other side effects of being overweight while you work to bring your weight to a healthy number. Whereas lemon juice adds a dose of vitamin C. As an antioxidant, it helps to reduce inflammation in the body. So now let's get started. So in a 1 glass of water, I'll be adding around 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, which I did soak into the water for 15 minutes at least. So I'll add 4 tablespoons. Please do not add more than that. And now I'm adding 1 small piece of ginger into the water. It's better to crush it before adding, but I'm just adding it right away. And then I'll squeeze 1 lemon. 1 lemon per day is more than enough. So now our last ingredient is mint. Mint is considered a stimulant that can give that much needed boost energy by stimulating digestive enzymes to break down your fat. It also helps to relieve indigestion, gas and bloating. So I'm adding about 4 to 5 mint leaves into the drink. Now you just need to mix it several times and just keep it overnight so that you can drink it early in the morning on your empty stomach. To see a noticeable difference, you must try this drink for at least 1 to 2 months, and then to maintain your weight, you can take this drink thrice in a week or twice in a week. Thank you. If you think I was helpful, so please like my video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.